Wait, while I be like bicycle. Mona see this man now. Mona see inside church now. He come dey eat now. No, Mona tell me wetin dey pursue this man dey go. Wetin make you no fair eat for house before you come church? Everything now wey the pastor dey talk now, e no dey enter inside your brain, because inside your brain na the eba with the soup wey you dey eat. As e take dey enter your belle, now you dey even dey think. Okay, if you come reach house now, this man come reach house now, wetin go come tell him wife say, see wetin their pastor talk o. Oga, wetin dey pursue you dey go? Why you no eat for inside house before you come? My people, may not watch this video alone. Watch and share and leave your comments. Inside church again. Hey, fair wait now. Make the pastor fair talk finish. Or fair, like, I don't understand. Fair eat for us before you come. Not be say maybe the service. What I don't vex my people. Not be say the service it go wrong. Or you quick wake up, eat before you come. If you not fit, just postpone the church. Next week you go. Which one be this one now where you can't dey eat for church now? Now inside church again now I can't dey eat. Nowhere no not dey eat. But with soup now this man just carry go. Make I put her for the morning watch her. As I dey watch this video, I dey laugh. I say which kind to be this one now? Small and now even inside car said they even dey eat for inside car. Nowhere where person no can't dey eat again. This one not dey normal. That church now they say you go listen to wetin your pastor want talk. You go dey eat ebe for there. Not the way Musa no go see for gate. Now bye. Mona watch.
Don't laugh. Don't laugh.
When I come to go my ministry, I saw the subordinate I did. I said, this is what I need to serve. God knows that when I went back to the city, I was under him to do my wedding. He supported me massively. Hallelujah. Amen. Now we have to be Father. Please also share Jesus. Hallelujah.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
That's the only person that gives something. The calculation, around the price was not to get that for that time. I want to give you can buy 5 bags of rice, 10 to celebrate. Let me celebrate my father. I celebrate God. The king of the country remain and what? Redeemed to be what? Can you say to yourself, I am redeemed to be the one. Just as I said in previous services, we are meant to be a sign for our world. We are meant to be a wonder for our world. We don't need to appear for people to please us. We don't need to appear better. The most people, especially because the city, they want to appear better so that people can please you. No matter how better, they will never change your life. Your story will never change.
Am I chicken with that?
No, and the Chris, I go buy chicken. My pigeon.
My pigeon?
Yeah.
My chicken.
When you appear as a sign, when you appear as a wonder, you begin to enjoy the blessings of God. Instead of begging, you end up becoming what? Blessings to your God. When we manifest ourselves, I want the name of Jesus.